Hi, welcome to the Sirius project. Today I was watching some videos this morning and I saw a cool idea for a stop for my Vise and went out to the shop, grabbed some scraps and put it together. Hope you enjoy the video. See ya. Alright, here's the material. Pulled it right out of the scrap bin. A couple of pieces of bar stock. A rod that has a nice flat surface on it for the set screw that I'm going to use, and I'll make a threaded fixture out of that and a nut that goes on the thread out of that, and we'll go from there. One part done. Another part done. All right, here we go. This is my jury-rigged way of getting that thing square. Or squares so that I have parallel flats on both sides of this nut. So what I did was I clamped the parallel into the first flat that I cut, and now I'm measuring the gap between the parallel and the bottom of the jar and the parallel jaw and the parallel in the bottom of the jaw over there. And I think you'll find that I am pretty close. Oh, it's not perfect method. Oh, shoot. You just pried it open. Easier to do with my right hand. All right, so 292 on that side. And 294, 293 on that side. So that is pretty darn close to parallel, and that's what I'm going to go with. So now I can take my clamp off and my parallel off, and I should be able to bring it back up and mill this other flat on there on the top and be right where I need to be. All right, I had to do the clamp a parallel and measure thing again. And so I got this distance to equal that distance within a thousandth, so I'm pretty close to parallel. So we'll set up and cut again. There's a piece. There's a piece. There's the rod. I think she's done. Except for mounting it on the screw on the vices itself. Got to drill 2 holes for that. So let's see how this works. This will pivot on that piece. This is, of course, attached to the back of the vise. This piece throws on the floor. Goes on here. This is the hardest part. Oh, that's the best I've ever done it. See, it locks down there. You take your rod, put it through there. Grub screw. Tighten it down on the spot. And you now have stop. Look at that. Now I can mount that on the vise and show you how it's going to work. Pretty cool, huh? All right, there it is, mounted. This little mobile viewing. So the rod moves back and forth in there. You can change the location of it with this collar. And get a wrench on there if I need to tighten it down, but it tightens down pretty good with just your thumb. But the only thing I think I did wrong is that if you look, that collar will touch the jaw, which means that I can't get the jaws any closer than 1 inch, but I can use temporary jaws in order to fix that. So anyway, it's mounted on the back, all set up. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching.